Aeration introduces another patented product for improving efficiency and diffused aeration system, and for mixing applications in large tanks. Mega Bubble Generator, or Bubble Mixer. In diffused aeration system, bubble mixers can be installed, along with fine pore diffusers, connected to same air grid. In operation, pressured air pushes the water inside the accumulator body of the generator, and creates an air pocket. As the liquid goes down, and reaches the lower end of the central delivery pipe, the air enters it, pushing liquid in it upwards. This sudden release results in air ejection, and all the air in the air pocket quickly enters the delivery pipe, through the outer pipe, and exits out as a large bubble. During this process, the liquid backfills again into the accumulator, starting the cycle again, and happens continuously. The large bubble travels at high velocity to the surface, with vortex movement, as it rises up. This initiates agitation inside the tank, resulting in intense mixing of its contents. Because of this agitation, the fine bubbles of diffuser now take a zigzag path, instead of straight rise. This increases the flow path by many times, increasing the oxygen transfer efficiency. Aeration is a low-efficiency process, because of low oxygen content in the air. As the air bubble rises straight, it exchanges only few oxygen atoms. If it is agitated, it releases more oxygen, and boosts transfer rate, reducing the effects of chemicals and surfactants, increasing the alpha factor from 0.5 to 1. With bubble mixers, the efficiency of diffusers remains the same, in both clean and waste waters. This decreases the wasted energy in aeration by 60 to 75%, without any modification, just by installing Mega Bubble Generator in the existing diffused aeration system. 70% of the wastewater treatment plant energy consumption is in aerators. 3% of global energy consumption is in aerators. Hence, savings up to 70% is significant in this area, which is possible using gas-ion bubble mixer. Granular sludge. With bubble mixers, the intense mixing in the aeration tank makes the activated sludge flocks to form into a granular shape. The settling velocity of the granular sludge will be many times higher than the normal activated sludge. This will increase the output quality of the treated water, without escape of pin flocks, will also reduce the clarifier size requirement. Bubble mixer is a new innovative and sustainable technology for sewage treatment. Compared to conventional activated sludge, bubble mixers can operate at high MLSS. This also means smaller and cheaper tanks. In this type of activated sludge, oxygen does not penetrate into the heart of the granules. By this, oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor zones are present. Various biological processes can simultaneously take place within the granule. Potential for energy cost reduction is up to 80%. Plant capacity can also be doubled just by installing bubble mixers, without any other additional equipment or civil works. Biogas. Biogas production is the most efficient way to utilize the nutrients in the wastewater. The anaerobic biogas tanks are large, and thorough mixing of its content is a challenge. Bubble mixers, installed inside these tanks, can use the biogas as its feed gas instead of air, and generate large bubble of gas. This will mix the entire biogas tank contents, and will boost the biogas production by many times, will also avoid settling of solid contents inside the tank. Mixing. Bubble mixers can be used in mixing application in many processes. Wastewater treatment plant, like pump stations, equalization tanks, biological reactors, anaerobic zone, anoxic zone channels, flocculation tanks, aerobic sludge digester, sludge holding tanks, etc.